lovies, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying out a face mask, and it's the Pore cleanup mask. This is what the packaging looks like. So I open up the package. It's red, and you can pull out the product. Opens up, and this is what it looks like. The whole back of it is all in Korean, I believe. I'm gonna go wash my face and I'm gonna steam my mask for a little. What? Okay, so I am back. I just cleaned my face and I steamed it for a while. So now I'm gonna bring you guys closer to my face. This is my skin right now. You can obviously, I have some acne going on like I usually do. So we're just gonna go right in. Oh, okay. So it's very sticky. This is a peel off mask, so you have to make sure that it's pretty even and connected. Alright, so there is the mask applied. It says to wait about 15 minutes until it's completely dry and then peel it off. So I'll see you guys when it is completely dry. Alright, so I'm back. I can barely talk. This thing is like super tight. You can see. Over here is a little bit wet, but it's not bad. So I'm just gonna go for it. So they said that the best way to do this is peel from bottom up and all in one direction. And one on my nose. Alright, so I got it off. Obviously you can tell that there's still some on there, but when I look at it, it definitely got some stuff out. Alright, so this is my skin after. I tried getting most of it off. This is after. It feels super smooth. I can tell a difference and I can feel like how clean my face is, but I think it would just take a couple more like times to completely see difference. So I would give this product a solid like 10 out of 10. I will definitely use it again. It doesn't hurt as much as the videos proclaim. I think a lot of them are over exaggerating. The only places that it really the only place that it really hurt for me was right under my eyes and then right here, but that's why I'm usually sensitive anyways. So my forehead didn't hurt at all, my nose didn't hurt, my chin didn't hurt. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, comment down below on what you guys would like to see next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.